how to link bank account on Cash App. If you want to link bank account on Cash App, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to basically open up your Play Store and then make sure that you've downloaded the Cash App application, and just go ahead and then make sure to log into your Cash App account. Once you log into your Cash App account, this is normally the kind of interface you will see. Now to link your bank account, what you have to do is click on the profile icon from the very top right hand side, as you'd be able to find there, and you'll come to this page. From here you'll find an option that says linked banks. So all you have to do is just go to that linked banks section if you want to, and once you go to the linked banks section, here you'll be able to see link your bank account button. Then all you have to do from here is just simply click on the continue button, and as soon as you've clicked on the continue button, you'll be able to enter your other details for your bank account and then successfully link your bank account on Cash App. And this way you'll be able to link your Cash App bank account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in our next video.